Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this question. Factorize 9x squared minus 16y squared plus into bracket 3x minus 4y raised to power 2. So now you only need to expand this last term, and you can do that using the quadratic identities. That is, a minus b squared is given by a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let us apply that to the last term there. So we're going to have 9x squared minus 16y squared plus what you have here is going to be 3x squared, that is 9x squared, minus 2 times 3x times 4y, which is 24xy, plus 4y squared, that is 16y squared. So now you just collect like terms. So you have 9x squared plus 9x squared minus 16y squared plus 16y squared, then minus 24xy. So 9x squared plus 9x squared is 18x squared, then minus 16y squared plus 16y squared is 0, and then you have minus 24xy. So now just check for the common factor between these two, which in this case is 6x. So you have 6x into 3x minus 6 into 24, 4 times. That is 4y. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.